Let's look at some first principle problem solving. So to solve this one, as you can see, it's a cubic function. Well, first you have to simply break this formula into simpler form, and we can able to simplify it easily, because sometimes it's confusing if it's not simplified. So first of all, I'll take this one. Then where there's x, you'll put, where there's x, you'll put x plus h. It's a cube, so from this point, to expand the cube, you'll see, as you can see, there's a cube here, so the numbers in the corners, the values of in the corners, they have cube, they must have cube. So they have cube here, you'll cube this, you'll have x cube, and then plus, and then the h as well must be cubed, so maybe it will be somewhere here. So we're left with the middle part. So because there's a cube here, so it must drop down. So you will multiply this one and 3 2 times. So we'll have something like this. There must be 2 because it's cube. In cube we have to put 2 of them. So when you go this direction, you must put square. The power must drop from cube to square. You put a square here. So one of these must have a square. See, you multiply this one, it must be 2 because there are 2 of this here. Then one of each must have a square. So here x is have a square, and this side h must have a square. So this is how you simplify it. You can check it and go through the long way, but for the short way, you just cube this one and you put it here, and then cube this one, you put it here, and then you multiply by 3 this one. So you must make 2 of it. So one of it must have a square, like x here you have a square, and the other one you have a square. So you must make it 2 because it's a cube. It's unlike the other one which is square. It's different. It's 1. That's why we put power of 1. And let's continue with the next one. So the next one, you just write it as it is, f of x equals to negative 4x cube. Let me multiply this one first inside the bracket so that it will be simple when we cancel it, because it can take multiplying this by negative 4, you'll have 4 cube. Multiplying this 3 by, you'll have a 12 cube, 12x square, not cube, x square h plus, and now you minus, you'll also have 12 with h square, and then you multiply by 4, you'll have also negative h. Let me remove the bracket. Okay, from here there's nothing you can simplify, so doing the next one, you just write it as it is. So now we are doing this step. You have something like this. Now you will just take for f of x, x plus h, f of x plus h, you'll take this one, and then for the other one you'll take this one. For this one, you for f of x, we take this one, put it here. So let's we'll have negative for x cube minus 12 x with the square minus h with the square and with the cube. So you put the negative and add there. As you can see, when you multiply by a negative inside, it will be positive, and this one and this one will cancel out. They are the same. They will canceling. So now you are left with this one. Let's write it as it. You'll have something like 12. Let's take a common factor from this point, so that maybe it will be simple. So here is the common factor as our h. So from here we can go by this. From here we can go like this. And putting h. So when we put h will cancel out. You have something like 12. No, a. And then the h will cancel. once they have cancelled, so we go to the next stage of adding the limit. Now we already done with this one. We'll just put the value before we eliminate it by the 0. -12. Then from here we'll substitute the 0. When you substitute the 0, maybe we can put when you substitute the 0, we'll have something like a -12x square. So this one becomes 0, so we'll have something like 0 and 0, because it will be 0 times this is 0, so the final answer using the limit, you have something like this. So this is the answer. So if you like this video or you want more videos, go to this link and then you'll see more video like this, or you can comment, put your question after in this link. You'll see more videos there. And thanks for watching. See you on the next video.